Hi, Charlie girl. Oh, whoopsie.
You videoing her?
I love all her little faces.
Are you videoing her?
Yes. Oh, now you got the hiccups. Oh. Mama loves you so much. Oh, what's that mean? She's got her cute little, whoa, she rolls. Cute little outfit on. Her belly thing still isn't off, so we're working on that. I think she's having a gas moment. And hiccups. It's kind of a lethal combination. Oh, so sad. Don't be sad. And there's Papa over there working on this little thing.
They're not going anywhere.
Oh, little girl. It's okay.
Lots of paperwork. Actually, an Allstate agent can help do the switching and paperwork for you. Probably costs a lot.